Bomb. Got everyone in surprise. Bring this breaking news. Sign up right now. Let's go to the news. The Saints now need to fill their defensive coordinator role, and the top candidate must promote co-DC Chris Richard, who has interviewed for many vacant DC positions in the league. If you like, leave your like. New content comes here on the channel. This is not the coach the Saints were hoping to lose today, Sean Payton, but it was something we thought might happen. The next step should be the promotion of Chris Richards so that the Saints can veto interview requests, for the New Orleans Saints have lost one of their top defensive assistants. He made a huge impact for many of the defensive linemen. The Saints have some outstanding DL free agents that could follow Nielsen to Atlanta. The Atlanta Falcons have hired Saints co-defensive coordinator Ryan Nielsen to be their new defensive coordinator. Nielsen will replace Dean Pease, who retired last off-season. What did you think of this exit? Leave your opinion. IT is very important for the biggest club in the United States. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you later.